Team Germanten, we welcome you. At the same time, we wish you happy National Doctors Day to all of you. And going further, sir, I request our chairman and managing director, sir, to speak a few words this particular day.
Good evening to everybody here, all the doctors and all the staff, everybody who has gathered here. So first of all, I like to wish happy Doctors Day to all the doctors who are gathered here and all the doctors in all pan India, everybody there. So this day is celebrated. This is actually what is a doctor profession. We need to do lot of sacrifices for every doctor here. So it is a profession built on knowledge, compassion, dedication, and also commitment to serve the patients. So our profession is a lot of dedication, passion, and it's more than any monetary bits. We are here to serve our lot of our all the communities and all the people here. So it needs lot of dedication and sacrifices. At Germanten Hospitals, we always believe in what you call as upgrading ourselves to have a continuation of our upgradation, believe in ethical practice and also innovative practice. We always believe in innovative practice. As a doctors, we have to always upgrade our practice. And this is not possible without a dedicated team of doctors. So I thank all the doctors here who are present, all the senior doctors who have been working in Germanten and all the new joinees who have come. I wish them best wishes for all of them. And so it is a team effort. So we are here as a collective to serve the community. And as a Germanten hospital, we are committed for ethical practice and innovative practice or advanced technologies with and a lot of compassion. So this is all not possible without a dedicated team of doctors. So we are really thankful to all the doctors here who are giving their dedicated service, and they have their own sacrifices to make and lot of challenges in the hospital. So every day we face lot of challenges from the patients. So many issues come up, we try to face them, and it's really a very challenging profession nowadays. And most of the doctors nowadays, because of this, I don't know whether they're choosing their children to become doctors or not. So but we need to have that we are giving really a lot of service. So it is more than all other profession. Doctors profession is really a lot of profession which has a lot of impact on society. Ultimately, doctors are like instrument in hands of God. We are treating just it is the God who gives the treatment, but all the doctors are doing our best here. So we are having a very dedicated team of doctors. I'm really proud to have all of them here, and thank them, and let us continue this service, and wish you all again a very happy Doctors Day. Thank you. It has been a very wonderful section for all the doctors here. So, because any orthopedic case or any case is a multidisciplinary, we have to have a multidisciplinary approach, because we don't know what is there with the patient from starting from diagnosis, history, as all the doctors have already presented their history, complication, post-op care, even radiological diagnosis, liver and nephrology, pulmonology, all the disciplines come into picture. We don't know what patient has. We cannot miss it. So we are fortunate to have a very good doctors team here, and all are well experienced, and it's a collaboration is needed, and we need to discuss each and every case, even minor case or even in a young patient also anything can happen. Recently, we have seen one patient like 32 years has a hemophilia. We didn't know hemophilia he has. So Dr. Sandeep is there, and yes, we are missing him. So we had planned that, but we don't know hemophilia. But it has came out after a thorough workup only. So it could have been a very high rate of complication if you operated that case. So I think Dr. Krupakant has take very good measures, like you always discuss, and we have Dr. Zayed has said, Khaim Khadi sir has said very good points. Like we need to explain all the complication to the patients, like pre-op, and it's a continuous process of explaining the complication. So if we are explaining them, they are okay. Like if you hide anything, then there's a big problem. So that's a very important point to take. And each and every case needs a thorough workup. So that's the reason whatever case, orthopedic or ENT, any minor case also can land up into complication. So we are having a very good team here, so we can discuss and then proceed. Have a proper protocols, as you are saying, infection control protocol and post-op protocols. So if all are there in set, then definitely we will be delivering world class care with a lot of technology. We have a best care to the patient with a best team of doctors. So complications do happen, which we have to definitely explain them what complications are expected. Infection is a very most dangerous complication in orthopedic especially. So we are having laminar otis now. You're taking all the swab cultures, regular follow-up. Even then diabetic patients can develop it. So we have to explain them all the risk factors. That is most important. So we cannot take even a small case as light. We have to have a thorough workup and in detailed workup. The discussion between different interdepartmental discussion is needed about any case. Then only we have to proceed for a surgery, and post-op complications also needed to be discussed. So that's we are doing a very good job here. I thank all the doctors here for being a part of the Germanten team. So thank you again.